Hey guys, I will teach you how to grow saplings in coconut shells. After a lot of failed attempts, trials and errors, what I'm about to show you is the best method to plant in coconut shells. By following a lot of other tutorials, I didn't get any results and ended up with rotten seeds, rotten roots, dead saplings and closed up coconuts. I added, modified and designed many steps which worked very well. If you want to successfully grow plant or saplings in coconut shells, watch this video till the very end. We are going to give you an alternative to plastic pots. Do you see these coconuts? Yes, we are going to use them for planting. This is the most eco-friendly method which also quenches your thirst. After you have decided to grow a plant, go straight to the coconut man and buy some tender coconuts. Drink the water and bring home the empty shell. I will teach you how to prepare it for planting. So guys, we will follow these steps. Preparation of coconut, planting of germinated seeds or saplings, creating a stand for the coconut. The first thing you have to remember is that a coconut is designed to hold water. But for planting, this is bad. We need the excess water to drain off. If not, the root will rot and your plant will die. So the first step is to break the inner shell as much as possible. My advice is buy tender coconuts without malai so the inner shell is soft and easy to break. Take a big nail or a screwdriver and make as many holes as possible to damage the inner shell that holds the water, and also scratch the inner shell as much as possible with a screwdriver or something similar. This will help in draining of excess water and also allow exchange of gases needed by the plant roots to grow well. As you can see, I am now planting the germinated mango seed, lightly filling it up with soil, which is a mix of garden soil 60%, sand about 35%, along with a bit of compost and manure, which is 5%. The advantage of planting it in coconut shells is that saplings of fruiting trees can be directly transferred into ground soil after they have grown enough to survive on their own. We have planted dates, jamun, jackfruit and mango saplings for now. We are now filling up the collected coconut shells with the prepared soil mixture. While shooting this video, we were greeted by an amazing storm, heavy rains and flying branches. I am very lucky it didn't land on me. Now comes the most interesting part, the coconut stand. After a lot of experimenting, I arrived at this extremely simple yet very useful hack. All you need is 3 nails. Push the nails into the ridges at the bottom of the coconut to form a tripod-like stand. And there you go. Remember, coconuts tend to dry and shrink over time. So make sure to have a well-cut wide top as your plant needs space to grow. In the next video, we will show you how to use coconut shells for house plants. I hope you enjoyed this video and will switch to the alternate method of potting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, keep growing.